At noon, a longtime Elder High School teacher dies weeks after being struck by a suspected hit-and-run driver. Mark Klusman died yesterday. 9 on your side's TJ Parker spoke with the school's principal. He joins us live outside the school where a memorial is now set up. TJ, what's going on?
Yeah, very sad day for the Elder High School and West Side community. As you can see, yes, this small memorial based outside of Elder High School for Mark Klusman has been set up out here. Klusman graduated from Elder in 1961 and spent more than 50 years teaching here, 51 to be exact. Police say Klusman was hit on Warsaw Avenue by 23-year-old Kayla Wilson on December 9th while volunteering with some students. They were cleaning up the neighborhood in Price Hill. He was taken to UC Hospital, where families say he had a lot of trauma to his body. Police tell us Wilson was speeding and under the influence of marijuana when she hit Klusman. On Elder High School's Facebook page, they remember Klusman as always being positive, a positive approach to life, his sense of humor, and his unwavering support of his students in and out of the classroom. Elder Principal Kurt Ruffing shared his memories of Klusman this morning.
He taught me when I was a sophomore here in geography. Super teacher. So he was my teacher, he was a colleague, a mentor. He was just so generous of a man and just one of those people that didn't want the limelight. Just, he was in the background, just doing whatever needed to be done.
Yeah, an emotional Ruffing there. He says that they will plan something to honor Klusman when students come back to class in January. A counselor is also on hand at the school for anyone who needs it. As for that driver, Kayla Wilson, she is right now charged with aggravated vehicular assault and failing to stop. She is expected to be back in court this Friday. We're live at Elder High School. I'm TJ Parker, 9 on your side.